Welcome to the Amalfi Coast, a breathtaking destination along Italy's southern coast. From rugged cliffs to charming villages and Mediterranean beaches, the Amalfi Coast is full of rich culture, history, and natural beauty. In this video, I will take you through the top places to visit on the Amalfi Coast. First up, Positano, a town so picturesque it almost seems unreal. Nestled on the cliffs of the Amalfi Coast, this enchanting town is a feast for the eyes. Imagine vibrant houses cascading down to the Mediterranean Sea, their colors reflecting in the crystal-clear waters below. Each house seems to tell a story of its own. Wander through narrow streets filled with the aroma of freshly baked pastries, where every corner reveals a new delight. Artisans can be seen meticulously crafting beautiful ceramics, a tradition passed down through generations. Savor simple pleasures. Espresso at a cafe, where you can watch the world go by, or indulge in boutique shopping, discovering unique treasures and local fashion. Or simply relax and unwind by sunbathing on the beach, feeling the warm sun on your skin and the gentle sea breeze. For the best views, hike to the Church of Santa Maria Assunta. This historic church, with its stunning dome and rich history, offers a panoramic view of the entire town and the sparkling sea beyond. Positano truly is a gem waiting to be explored. Next, we journey to Amalfi, a historic town once a powerful maritime republic. At its heart lies the Duomo di Amalfi, a magnificent cathedral with Moorish arches and intricate mosaics. Wander through Piazza del Duomo, savor gelato, and browse local crafts. Don't miss sampling limoncello, the region's famous liqueur. From bustling Amalfi, we ascend to Ravello, perched high above the coast. Stroll through citrus groves and lush gardens, and visit Villa Simbrone with its terrace of infinity. This spot offers one of Italy's most famous panoramic views. Ravello has inspired artists and writers for centuries. Its timeless beauty and serenity are unmatched. Now let's head to Sorrento, a picturesque town perched atop a dramatic cliff. Overlooking the stunning Bay of Naples, Sorrento offers breathtaking views that will leave you in awe. Wander through the historic center where you'll find charming shops filled with local crafts and souvenirs. Don't miss the Teatro Tasso, a cultural hub that hosts a variety of events and performances throughout the year. For those who love the outdoors, a clifftop walk is a must. This walk offers panoramic views of the Bay of Naples and the iconic Mount Vesuvius in the distance. If you're feeling adventurous, take a boat tour to the nearby island of Capri. Here, you can explore the mesmerizing Blue Grotto, a sea cave illuminated by an ethereal blue light. Sorrento is a perfect blend of history, culture, and natural beauty, making it an ideal gateway to the Amalfi Coast. Whether you're here for the stunning landscapes, the rich cultural experiences, or simply to relax and enjoy the Mediterranean atmosphere, Sorrento has something for everyone. Nestled between Positano and Amalfi, Atrani is one of the most charming and picturesque villages on the Amalfi Coast. Known for its narrow streets, Atrani invites you to wander and discover its hidden corners. Relax on its beautiful beaches and explore stunning hidden coves. Savor a meal at a local trattoria and witness a breathtaking sunset over the sea. Atrani offers tranquility, natural beauty, and stunning views. No trip to the Amalfi Coast is complete without visiting Capri. This enchanting island, known for its rugged landscape and upscale resorts, is a must-see destination. Approach by boat to see towering cliffs, lush vegetation, and charming villages. The journey itself is a breathtaking experience, offering stunning views of the coastline and the azure waters of the Mediterranean. Explore hidden coves, including the famous Blue Grotto. This natural sea cave is renowned for its mesmerizing blue light, created by sunlight passing through an underwater cavity and shining up through the seawater. Indulge in luxury at designer boutiques or chic beach clubs. Stroll through the narrow streets lined with high-end shops, or relax at one of the island's exclusive beach clubs, where you can soak up the sun in style. Take a chairlift to Monte Solaro for panoramic views. From the highest point on the island, you can enjoy a 360-degree view of the surrounding sea and the distant horizon, a sight that is truly unforgettable. Capri offers adventure, relaxation, and Mediterranean charm. Whether you're seeking thrilling outdoor activities, serene spots to unwind, or simply want to immerse yourself in the island's unique atmosphere, Capri has something for everyone. Well, there you have it, a glimpse into the unforgettable beauty and charm of the Amalfi Coast. I hope this video has inspired you to add the Amalfi Coast to your travel bucket list. Amalfi Coast is a destination you won't forget. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel guides.